In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow downloading problem on your Chrome browser. All what you have to do is open your Chrome browser, go to the top here and click on those three dots and go down to settings, and then click on system and disable this option and this option, and then go here and search for flags like this, and go here, search for parallel downloading, click enable, and after that go back again, and this time go here again, go to more tools and click on extensions and disable or remove the extensions that you don't need. And that's it. Now the last step is restart your computer, and congratulations, don't forget to like and subscribe.